Why do fiber optic cables use light? Have you ever wondered how information travels across continents in a fraction of a second? Fiber optic cables make this possible by using light instead of electricity. In this presentation, we'll explore why light is used and how it enables fast, reliable communication. What are fiber optic cables? Fiber optic cables are extremely thin strands made of glass or plastic. They transmit data not as electrical signals, but as pulses of light. These cables form the backbone of modern technologies such as the Internet, telecommunications, and even medical imaging. Why not electricity? Traditional copper cables use electrical signals, but they have limitations. Electricity faces resistance, which causes heat and energy loss. Electrical signals are also affected by electromagnetic interference, reducing speed and reliability, especially over long distances. Why light is ideal? Light overcomes many of these problems. It travels incredibly fast, close to the speed of light itself. Light signals experience very little loss and are completely immune to electromagnetic interference, making them ideal for data transmission. How light travels inside fiber? Inside a fiber optic cable, light travels using a principle called total internal reflection. The light repeatedly bounces off the inner walls of the fiber. This allows the signal to stay trapped and travel long distances without escaping. Core and cladding structure. A fiber optic cable has two main layers. The core carries the light signal. Surrounding it is the cladding, which reflects the light back into the core. An outer protective jacket shields the fiber from physical damage. Advantages of light-based transmission. Using light provides several advantages. Fiber optics support extremely high data bandwidths. They can transmit data over long distances with minimal signal loss. They are also more secure, as light signals are difficult to tap without detection. Single mode versus multi-mode fiber. There are two main types of fiber optic cables. Single-mode fiber uses a very narrow core and is ideal for long-distance, high-speed communication. Multi-mode fiber has a wider core, is more affordable, and is commonly used for shorter distances. Real-world applications. Fiber optic cables are everywhere around us. They power high-speed internet and broadband connections. They support mobile networks like 5G. They are also used in medical equipment, industrial sensors, and scientific research. Conclusion. In summary, fiber optic cables use light because it is faster, cleaner, and more reliable than electricity. This technology forms the foundation of today's digital world, enabling instant communication and global connectivity.